So we have a scenario. The project manager is overseeing a railway infrastructure upgrade project where the installation of railway signaling equipment has been outsourced to the external vendor. The signaling equipment installation is significantly behind schedule. The completion of the railway line upgrade is on critical path. So what should be done in this scenario? So we have four options. Discuss the issue with the project sponsor and request additional internal resource. Okay. Engage another external vendor to provide additional resource, or work with the external vendor to analyze the situation and identify alternative solution, and organize meeting with the key stakeholder to determine the possible solution. So let's discuss this question. Since the work is outsourced, the first step is to understand the cause of the delay. So why this is delaying? So for the railway vendor delay scenario, the key clue is outsource, and the next part is behind the schedule, and third one is critical path. So these are the three key points through which we will solve this question. So let's see it pictorial, how we can solve this. Okay, for here option number C is correct. Why? Then we will discuss why other options are not correct. Because first of all, you have to understand the situation is because work is outsourced and behind schedule, the critical path. So we have to analyze the root cause. So this is the first step. As a project manager, you will analyze the root cause, then you will go to collaborate with vendor as compared to you are dealing with other stakeholders. So you will meet the vendor, then you will find out the cost, then impact on schedule, you will check the remaining work, then you will check the risk register or constraints have you have mentioned in your charter, and then recovery option. After that, you will evaluate the recovery option. So what will be the option? Identify and evaluate the feasible solution with vendor. Then it will be discussed and you will take action on the basically schedule so that the critical path can be checked. So this is a complete scenario in which you will do the work. So here, according to the question, there is only one option, suitable option, that work with the external vendor to analyze the situation and identify alternative solution. So why we will not use A? Discuss the issue with the project sponsor and request additional internal resources, because escalating to the sponsor is not the first step. We have to analyze the root cause. So that is defined in option number C. Why not option number B? Because engage an other external vendor to provide additional resources, because bringing in another vendor or more resources is a solution, not a first step. Because in the first step, we always go with the root cause analysis with our vendor, and we have to understand it first. So most suitable option is C. B can be, but most suitable is C. Then organize meeting with the key stakeholder to determine the possible solution. Involving many stakeholder in the early stage is not recommended. So option C is right now the key option, and we have a key takeaway that analyze first, escalate later, work with the vendor, then understand what is happening, then evaluate the option, then decide what you have to do with this option.